Eta kahi krodaveshe bhavera tarange base. That's what I mentioned in the beginning. Utkanta sagare dube man. Radhara utkantavani pari apane vakani. Krishna madhurya kare ashwadan. Krishna madhurya kare ashwadan. Aswadan. Mahaprabhu spoke these words in a mood of anger, krodaveshe, as he floated on waves of ecstatic love. So there's anger and prema. All these things are possible. Because all the different small waves on the ocean simply increase the beauty of the ocean. A placid ocean, the Pacific Ocean, with no waves is not very beautiful. When the waves and Taranga come, the waves, and they beautify the ocean, and they increase the bliss and joy of the ocean. Oh, some waves. That means the wind is touching them. So when the wind touches the ocean responds with the waves. So this is what's going on, what he's saying here. The waves, Utkanta Sagare. So his mood of anger, he floated on the waves of ecstatic bliss, merged in the ocean of Utkanta, eagerness to meet and be intimate with Krishna. Radharani spoke these words, Mahaprabhu spoke these words of Radharani. Then he personally explained the verse and tasted the sweetness.